Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to put apps on full screen on MacBook Air M4. And there are two approaches, so let's open any app that we can put on full screen, maybe the Finder. And you can either double click on that app, it'll maximize it, so it'll just extend it. You can do it like that, or you can hover over the green button, then set it to this option, and it will just maximize it itself, but not put it on full screen, because if you put it on full screen, you need to click on the green button. This is the full screen mode, so as you slide down, of course, it'll show you the dock, and at the top it'll show you the top bar, but this is basically the full screen. You can use 3 fingers to go back to desktop or go to that full screen. You can have multiple apps opened in the full screen and switch between them, like as I, for example, get to whatever, Safari maybe. Then I can switch between the Finder, Safari, or the desktop. I can also hover over the green button on the Safari. I'm gonna exit the full screen, then hover over it again, click on full screen, left of the screen, and now I can select what to put on the right side, but actually I'm gonna first unfull screen the Finder, then I can go to the full screen option, set it to the right of the screen, select Safari. Now I have that on full screen. And that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.